Today we're handling another Legends of the Force pack. Every card is a mission, every pull a bounty. And some of these crates have been rumored to carry rare treasures collectors would cross the galaxy for. Ahsoka Tano, Starlight Temple, Mysterious Hermit, Forged Starfighter, Corrupted Saber, Curious Flock, Supremacy TIE Starfighter, Jedi Temple Guards, Purge Trooper, Guardian of the Wills, Praetorian Guard, Blockade Runner, Rampage, Karis. You can see our rare cards slightly poking out. We have a Yaddle. And to finish, Qui-Gon Jinn's Aethersprite, a nice fighter ship, and a nice holo.